My daughter came to me and said she wanted a cool bike, and I immediately thought of something like this. But she didn't want a girly bike, she wanted a boy's bike. And she wanted that bike to look like Bumblebee off the Transformers. Yellow, with black wheels, with pinstriping, you know, a cool bike. She wanted something she could call her own that was customized to her specs. So we came up with this. A Colby cruiser that I bought off OfferUp for 60 bucks. Today on Cruisin' Arizona, we're gonna start a 3-part series building the Bumblebee bike. Well, thanks for watching today. If you like this video, go ahead and click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And check out episode 2 where we paint the bike. Thanks for watching and take it easy.